आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला। तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। हाँ, मुश्किल सही आसा हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल। रूठ जाना तेरा, मान जाना मेरा, ढूंढते तेरी हंसी मिल गई खुशी। राह हूँ मैं तेरी, रूह है तू मेरी, ढूंढते तेरे निशान मिल गई खुदी। तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। हाँ, मुश्किल सही आसा हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल। क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल।
I think I have a wonderful family support to take care of these twins, especially my mother, who takes care of them while we both are working. My sister, my nieces, my jijaji. I think they almost come once in a week to meet them. I think they are also so fond of them. So for me, it's been an exciting journey. About fatherhood, I think fatherhood came so naturally to me. From day one, I took them in my arms and I was able to manage and take care of them very well. They made me so responsible, and this responsibility came so naturally to me. So I'm so excited about this, and it's gonna be a wonderful journey ahead. I think both of them are twins, but I would say that they are totally opposite. I think it's a big package for me. They don't even look like brothers and sisters. So both are opposites. I think Rhea is more dominating, while Rian is more loving, more caring. Rhea wants everything, and Rian nicely gives her away everything. So I think it's a big package, and I am enjoying every day. I think I feel really blessed to have this wonderful two kids, yeah. And on top of it, a girl and a boy. What more do you want in life? I think the first time when the doctor gave the news that my wife is expecting, I think there were smiles all over. Plus, you build that nervousness, anxiety, and excitement. It's a lot of mixed feelings what you go through at that moment. I think every father or a mother would have gone through this. I was not able to go for the sonography. Unfortunately, I got stuck in office, and when Gino called me and she was crying on the phone, and I got really scared. And then she told me that we have twins, and I was like, oh, what is it? Then the adrenaline in you runs. You are so excited what's gonna happen, and plus how are you gonna manage them? But to be frank, it's been 2 years now. With the support of the family, especially my sister, my neighbors, and you all, these 2 years have gone so fast, and me as a father don't really feel the burden of yes, I have twins. I think people outside say that you have twins, how do you manage? But I don't feel any bit of pressure that I have twins. I would like to thank you all for being such a wonderful family, my friends, being always there. I would also like to mention about my nieces. I think they've been a wonderful support. The first name, generally people kids say is their mom, dad, or dada dadi, but the first name what they said was Krisha. It's a long way to go, and I'm excited about this. I'm very happy about this, and it's gonna be a wonderful and adventurous journey.
फर्स्ट टाइम જ્યારે મને ખબર પડી સમટાઇમ્સ ઇન મિડ જાન 2016 about this big news. It was after 8 years of my marriage. એકદમ it was like excitement. This first time જ્યારે હું સોનોગ્રાફી કરવા ગઈ, I was all alone, and then I came to know that I had twins. It was like goosebumps and butterflies in my stomach, all mixed feelings. I was scared, I was happy, too many things at a time on my mind. And the first time that I told Monil, okay, they are twins, and I started crying. So 4th October 2016, 7:10 a.m. and Rian was born, and 7:11 a.m. Rhea was born. And I just wanted to jump out of that operation bed when the doctor said like it's a boy and then it's a girl. Like shit, this is the best thing ever happened in my life. Like it is the perfect thing. 8 months of like patience and that thing. What would it be? 2 boys, 2 girls, a boy, a girl. I don't know what combination it would be. And yeah, there they were. Now that they've completed 2 years, Rian is totally mama's boy and Rhea is completely daddy's girl, and they look also like that. Rian looks like me, Rhea looks like Monil, and they are kind of like us only. And Rian is a typical boy. He loves to play with ball, he loves to run around, and he's a very typical boy kind of. He likes to do boy kind of things, and Rhea is a very girly thing. She likes to play with toys, and she loves her Shali. She can't sleep without that. And Rian just adores and takes care of Rhea right now. His favorite thing is to like wake Rhea. Savarna always like Rhea uthi karine. He just loves to do that. 8 months of the pregnancy was fantastic. It was a smooth journey till now that 2 years, it's also been fantastic, and another 20, 30, 40 years are going to be the same exciting journey with all the lovely people around me. My husband, my mother-in-law, my mom, my sister-in-law Dipali, Niyati, Krisha, Sameer, everybody, and my brother. With all these lovely people around, I'm sure it's going to be the same smooth journey ahead.
ભાણશું કે પાકે ભગવાન મંગ્યામી ન દીએ પણ આવતા ચાહતી કે વિશલમાં જી અસીમ કૃપા અને વડીલે જે પુણ્ય પ્રતાપે આશા કે ભગવાન મંગ્યામી દનાયા કે રેયા અને રિયાન જેડી સરસ ભાઈ બેન જી જોડી અસાજે ઘરે દનાયા અને આવતા ચાહતી કે અસાજી આના ઘર એટલે અસાજી આનો ઉંમર में આશા કે અસાજી આખી જિંદગી અસાજી આખી લાઈફ બદલા જેવી यानी કે રમાડે ને.
Hi Rhea and Rian, you are the most adorable babies who melt our heart. You are the tiniest thing, but you occupy the most space in our heart. Love you so much. Like bring a smile to our face.
What else?
You say.
They are my best babies in the world, and I got a good gift on my birthday. What else I don't know. The best gift what I got it is like we love them and they are our life, they are our heart.
You know that feeling when you have a baby in the house and you know that there's going to be a baby in the house, and then after a few days it's like you're going to have babies in the house and not a baby. And
we were so excited when we came to know that we were twins. Like we were jumping on the bed and going mad, running around the house because we were so excited.
And then it was so different.
Like we called them apples and bananas because we didn't know what their name was going to be and what the gender was. We were so curious about it.
And then we kept discussing what their genders would be. And I don't know how we just wanted like a boy and a girl because we wanted a boy to tie him Rakhi. and we wanted a girl so we could play dress up with her. And we were waiting outside the operation theatre, and the doctor just came out, and I don't know who it was Mol Nama, right? It was him, and he came out and he was like, oh, it's a boy, it's a girl.
And we all went
Yeah.
mad, we went bizarre, everyone was crying, jumping, laughing. Yeah, so since the moment we've met them, I think it's been an amazing journey. Like, we've bonded with them really well. We've done everything till now. I think we've gone from changing like dirty, smelly diapers to vomit, and to making each other eat food and putting it all over each other, and hugs and kisses, everything.
And ideally we're supposed to be like brother and sister, but I think they're more like our babies than anything else.
So we've already had sleepovers together, which is the most fun part, staying awake late to the night because they normally do.
So I think Rian, if you're gonna see this video like 10 years down the line, or maybe like 20 years down the line, you'll have to know you're very special to us. The whole house environment, relationships, everything in the house has changed because of y'all, and I think we love y'all the most, and there's nothing more greater than y'all that we ever love or want.
We love you,